Jiangsu TNW Environmental Protection Technology Company Limited, established in 2013, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of sludge dewatering system. Our hot sale products include multi-discs screw sludge dewatering machine, belt filter press sludge dewatering machine, automatic dosing system, and shaftless screw conveyor. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including various water treatment equipment, such as plate and frame filter press machine, mechanical bar screen for sludge treatment, spiral extrusion separator, air diffuser aerator, MBBR biofilter media. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 CE certificates. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Southeast Asia, Africa, and Europe. We supply customized service for our clients, also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Warmly welcome customers visit us and look forward to building long-term cooperative relationship with global customers and seeking common development.